All right, since it doesn't say continuously compounding on this example, we're going to use our first formula, okay, not the part. So we found the word compounding. It said quarterly. So let's go through and let's go through and let's figure out what our variables are. So we've got A, P, just going across there, R, N, and T. One of them I'm not going to know because that's the one I'm solving for. The others I'm going to be able to fill in. So, what did A stand for?
The sum of $10,000.
A was my ending balance. Do I know my ending balance here?
No, ma'am.
No, so that's what we're going to be after. What did P stand for? The beginning balance, the starting balance. Do I know how much we started with? 10,000. What did R represent? Your rate as a decimal. So, do I know my rate?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, it's 8%. Remember, either divide that by 100 or move your decimal place over 2 places, so 0.08. What did N stand for?
The number of times compounded.
Good, the number of times compounded. How many times is it compounded?
Quarterly.
Quarterly, which is what number?
4.
Good.
But it said I don't know.
And what is T?
5.
What does it represent? Time in years? And how many years are we looking at?
5.
5. So let's plug all this information into our formula.
Why is there a 1 there?
Because it has to include the beginning amount. I mean, the 0.08 divided by 4 raised to the 4 times 5, that's how much interest we're actually going to make. But to find out how much is left at the end, I need to include the 10,000. So that's why the 1 is there. All right, so first thing let's do is let's work just on the exponent. So I'm going to go through here, and we're just going to combine the exponent. So what's 4 times 5? 20. And actually what I'm going to go ahead and do too is I'm going to see and hope that what's in parentheses is going to be an exact number. So go ahead and put that in as well. What is 1 plus parenthesis 0.08 divided by 4 close parenthesis?
Oh, that's 1 plus?
Yes, that's 1 plus.
Oh, I thought that was an
All right, 1.02. So we have 1.02, and you said 4 times 5 was 20, right? Now, just like what we did yesterday, we have to do the exponential part first. So we're going to type that in our calculator. So we're going to do, I'm going to come over here to the side. So I've got 1.02. I'm going to hit that Y to the X button. 20 equals. And it's going to give me some answer. Then I'm going to multiply that times the 10,000. And that's going to give me my final answer. Now think about this number. 8% is a decent interest rate, so you're going to make a little bit of money, okay? You're starting with $10,000. So are you going to be under $10,000? You're going to be above it. Now, do you think it's going to double? Probably not, okay? So if you end up with more than like 20,000, it's only 5 years. So if you end up with more than 20,000, it's probably not going to make sense for this problem. So just think about your answer while you're doing this. All right, so what did you get?
14,859.47.
All right, so 14,859.47. All right, very good. So there's our amount.